Hi everyone, so today I'm going to take you through how I use my Arture products. If you don't know what Arture is, it is a New Zealand skincare line, and these guys have some amazing products. There's a lot of natural ingredients like rose water. It's not tested on animals. They have some wonderful products that I'm going to share with you today. So the first one is the microdermabrasion cream, and this is the bottle. And this stuff is gold. It will last me so long, this container, and I'm going to quickly show you how I'm going to resurface my skin, and I'm just quickly take my makeup off and let's get to it. Okay, you're going to start off with like a moist face. But yeah, you're going to have some water on your face, you can have some water on your fingertips, and you're simply going to take the safety cap off and take the tiniest little bit. Now as you can see, I've actually used mine a few times. So you just want like a pea size. I'm just going to dot this where it's needed, and I'm going to get in there with like my two fingers on both hands, and I'm going to do circular motions all around my face, especially like in the areas that build up a lot of skin. Around my pimples that I have down here, around the mouth, and the forehead. You just want to rub this in and do tiny little circles. So what the microdermabrasion cream is it has tiny little crystals that help to resurface your skin. So it just takes away all of the dead skin that's sitting on top, opens up your pores and helps to let your skin breathe, and also helps to let product into your skin. And also you're revealing a more youthful skin underneath. And it's very, very non-abrasive, like it's not going to scratch your skin or leave scars or leave marks. This is just tiny, tiny, tiny little crystals that are taking all that dead skin away. Okay, so now I've washed all those little beads off, and I'm just going to spray my skin with Arture's Rose Water Mist. I'm just going to quickly show you this. And this is just going to refreshen and hydrate my skin. Okay, now once the rose water has soaked in a little bit, we're going to go in with a serum. Now Arture have two products that you can use, so I'm going to show you the first one, which is a Youth Preserve, and this has 2.5% retinol in it, and they also have a flawless skin perfector, intense brightening and plumping treatment. So I'm just going to show you guys this. For this video, or for tonight, I'm going to be using this serum. Okay, I'm just going to pump some into my fingers, or onto my fingers, shall I say, and then this is just going to go straight onto the skin. Any extra serum that you get, you can run down your décolleté. With the other treatment, what you do is you put it on just before bed, and in the morning you wash it off. So it's kind of like an all-night mask, but I'll show you guys in another video when I use this. But this is how I use my Arture skincare, and I hope you enjoyed this video and keep watching for more. But yeah, have a good day.